Hello and welcome to FieldBoss. Today, we will discuss how to set up basic users. To see a list of your organization's users, first click the settings icon in the top right corner. Then click Advanced Settings in the drop-down that emerges. After this, click the drop-down arrow beside the Settings button in the top left menu pane, and then click Users on the menu that appears. This will bring you to a list of enabled users in your system. Enabled users are people that have Microsoft licenses assigned to them. Once a Microsoft license has been procured, the user is usually set up by the IT team. You will then see the user show up here in the list of enabled users in FieldBoss. Like in many other areas of the system, there are different views for different types of users that you can see by clicking the right-facing arrow beside the Enabled Users button. For example, I can see disabled users, or stuff like all technicians or all helpers. If you click into a user which has not been set up, some of the information will already be filled in, such as the account information fields, as well as the user information fields. However, you still need to fill in several more before the user can be usable within FieldBoss. At minimum, you will need to fill out 3 fields to set up a user for FieldBoss. The first is the employee number, which should be a unique identifier assigned to the user at hand. If this user is a billable user, you should also assign them a rate table. This essentially assigns their billable rates to the user based on the type of worker they are. For example, if Corey, the user at hand, is a senior technician, I would assign him the senior technician rate table. If you now click into the rate table for the senior technician, you should be able to see the rates that senior technicians bill at based on the types of hours they are working. There are 3 other important fields to consider examining: show cost and profit on quotes and work orders, show project financial information, and show project billing information. These are found near the bottom of the organization information field section. You will only want to choose yes on these fields for users in accounting and sales that will need to view financial information. For other users, flip them to no. Finally, assign the appropriate security roles or level of access for the user at hand. You can do this by clicking the Manage Roles button on the top navigation bar, clicking into it, and selecting the roles that are relevant for this user. For ease of use, the FieldBoss consulting team has created numerous security roles that correspond to different functions within a field service organization. These allow you to easily select the type of role which is relevant to the type of worker that you are looking to assign it to. If the user you just set up is a schedulable employee, like a field worker, you should create a bookable resource for them. To learn how to do this, please click through to the Creating a Bookable Resource training video. This has been setting up users in FieldBoss. Thank you for watching.